Loss of consortium. Understanding this derivative claim. Imagine losing more than just a loved one's presence after an accident. When someone gets hurt or passes away because of another person's mistake, it can affect the entire family. That's where loss of consortium comes into play. It's a legal claim made by a spouse or close family member who feels the impact of the injury on their relationship. This claim isn't about the physical injury itself, but about the emotional and relational harm that follows. Think about missing companionship, love, emotional support, or intimacy that was part of your daily life before the injury. Loss of consortium recognizes that when one person is hurt, their family members can suffer real, measurable damage too. For example, if a spouse can no longer participate in daily activities or provide emotional comfort, the family feels that loss. It can also include the inability to share responsibilities like household chores or parenting. The damages sought in these cases cover both tangible things, like help around the house, and intangible things, like emotional pain and suffering. To make a loss of consortium claim, certain things need to be proven. First, there must be a valid marriage or domestic partnership at the time of the injury. Second, the injury must have been caused by someone else's negligence or intentional act. Third, the family member claiming damages must show that their relationship has been harmed because of the injury. And finally, there must be a clear link between the injury and the loss of the relationship. These claims are often filed alongside the main personal injury or wrongful death lawsuit. Usually, spouses are the ones who bring these claims, but in some cases, children or parents may be allowed to do so. Common incidents leading to loss of consortium include car accidents, workplace injuries, medical malpractice, violent crimes, or defective products. The damages are meant to reflect the changes in the relationship, like the injured person's inability to participate in daily life or provide emotional support. Gathering evidence for a loss of consortium claim involves medical records showing the injury, proof of the relationship, and testimony about how the injury has changed daily life. The goal is to compensate for the emotional toll and relationship disruption caused by the injury. So, in simple terms, loss of consortium is a way to recognize that injuries don't just affect the injured person. They can ripple through their family, causing emotional and relational harm that deserves compensation.